it's Christopher from Yellowstone Camera Store, Perfect Light Camera Store, and Photo Adventure Workshops. Hey guys, this is for you that are going to Iceland with us. This is a really impromptu video, so as you can tell, we're not set up professionally, but I think it'll get the job done. Hey, I just want to let you know, equipment-wise, what I'm going to be taking with me. Now, a lot of you only have one camera, and that's fine. I am going to mention that I'm going to take two cameras. I always take a backup. So I'm taking my Nikon Z9, and I'm going to have a 24 to 120 on it. So like a mid-range little wide-angle, do everything kind of lens. That's an f4 lens. Now, the camera that's recording this is my Z6 II. It's a little bit smaller camera. I'm going to take that, and what I'm going to have on that one most of the time is either my 14 to 24 wide-angle 2.8 lens. That's one thing I am going to recommend, guys. If you can afford to, or if you already have one, take a lens that can go either to 2.8 or 1.8 as wide as it can be, because we need to be able to shoot not only grand landscapes and really big waterfalls, but also when we're shooting the northern lights, right? So what I carry is I have a 14 to 24 Nikon 2.8 lens. Now there is a third lens, fourth lens actually. I need to mention this one. This is my 70 to 200 2.8. I always take one of those. There's not really any wildlife there, but we do see the wild horses. I mean, not wild horses, but the horses there, and they come really close. So you can shoot those usually like with a 24 to 120. I just like this, so if there is anything off a little bit farther in distance, I can still reach it. There's one last lens I want to recommend. So I carry a 20 millimeter 1.8. That's what's recording right now. That lens is really, I only use it for astro. It's a 1.8 lens. You do not need that, by the way, but they do help for northern lights and astro shooting. But I want to recap real quick. Again, you guys think about this. A camera body with like a 24 to 120 and like a mid-range zoom is really important to have. But if you don't have this mid-range zoom, make sure you've got a 2.8 lens of some kind. If you have any questions, let me know. Oh, good tripod with some gaffer's tape or painter's tape on your tripod so we can preset your focus for night shooting. I hope this helps. We'll talk to you very soon. Expect a call from me too before we go. Thanks guys, love you, bye.